Hi there, this is John from CNCKing.com, and we have a new project, an Evo head planter. I did this with the 3D Systems Cube, and I got some really nice angles here, but it really surprised me. And before that, I thought maybe 45 degrees would be enough. Anything over that, and the stuff would start falling down. But it didn't fall down at all. I think I have about 30 degrees here. So it really impressed me. It's a really fun project, and you can get it at CNCKing.com right now. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse of this project. I think it took me about 10 or 11 hours to 3D print the whole thing. It's definitely worth it. You could use it to hold plants. It's got a little hole in the bottom of it, so any water could actually get out. It's not stuck in there and stay stagnant. So I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, girl, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the vest on, boy, put your belt on. Stop acting all cool like Kanye West. You'll be riding through the wire, and the time I get on fire. You don't want that, no, I don't want that, no. This goes out to prince and chicks, so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the licking, kissing, squeezing. Do the damn thing, man.